Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Amiga Olivia from Smpn Negeri 40 Bandung. Today, I'll be reading a story called The Kingdom of Change, written by Rosmerda Gloria and illustrated by Marcos M.S. da Silva. This book is published by the Asia Foundation. "100 years ago, there was a kingdom called Karimbala. This kingdom was ruled by King Maleto. The people in Karimbala never spoke up about problems because King Maleto ruled in a very tough way. Daddy, I want to become a teacher, Kaisose told her father, Agosto. Agosto answered, "Who do you want to teach? The soldiers? You're not brave enough to teach." Look, there are no women teachers. Kaisose felt sad to hear this. Schools for little girls who wanted to be teachers did not exist in Karimbala. One morning, the sun shone beautifully on the kingdom of Karimbala. People were preparing to welcome King Manduki and King Fatukbut from the two great kingdoms that surrounded Karimbala. With a friendly, smiling face, King Maleto welcomed his guests. The ceremony began, and King Manduki said to King Maleto, "This kingdom is so united. I heard that you built a new school here." "Yes, sir," King Maleto replied. Suddenly, a little voice said, "But we cannot go to the school." That voice came from Kaisose, who was standing in a tall tree. Kaisose's father and mother were shocked and scared. Then Kaisose yelled, "The king does not allow us to go to the school. I cannot become a teacher. Girls just stay at home and do things like cook and get water. We are not happy." King Maleto was embarrassed. He had not expected this to happen. King Manduki and King Fatukbut were angry that King Maleto had lied about how happy his people were. Maleto was forced to give up his crown. While waiting for King Maleto's replacement to be named, Kaisose was entrusted with taking care of Karimbala and communicating with King Manduki's and King Fatukbut's kingdoms. Thanks to Kaisose's courage, all women were able to go to school. And that is the story of The Kingdom of Change. How did you like it? The thing that Kaisose did was so brave. Thanks to Kaisose's bravery, all of the girls in Kingdom of Karimbala can have the same opportunity to have education. And that is it from me today. I am Amiga Olivia from Smpn 40 Bandung. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.